Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech meets innovation. Let's dive in.
There's a certain peace of mind that comes with having a laptop that just works. Something dependable, fast, and elegant without the unnecessary complications. The Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 is built for exactly that kind of experience. Whether you're a student balancing assignments or a professional running your day from one project to the next, this laptop fits right into your life. If you want to see more about it or check out the latest details, the link is given down below in the description. The first thing you notice about the Slim 3 is its clean, confident design. It has a refined look that feels modern and light without feeling fragile. The chassis is sturdy with a durability standard that meets MIL STD 810H certification, meaning it's built to handle real life, from backpacks to boardrooms. At 15.6 inches, the display hits that ideal size for productivity, offering sharp, full HD resolution with anti-glare coating. Even after long sessions, it remains easy on the eyes, thanks to TÜV Low Blue Light certification that helps reduce fatigue. Under the hood, this laptop runs on AMD's Ryzen 7 5825E processor, a chip that strikes an excellent balance between power and efficiency. With 8 cores and 16 threads, it's ready for multitasking, from spreadsheets and presentations to editing photos or streaming in high quality. Paired with 16 gigabytes of RAM and a 512 gigabyte solid-state drive, everything feels fluid. Apps launch instantly, files open without lag, and the system stays cool and responsive even under load point. One of the most thoughtful inclusions is Microsoft Office 365. Right out of the box, you get access to the full suite: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneNote, along with cloud storage via OneDrive. It's a laptop made to work immediately, no setup stress, no hunting for software. Whether you're preparing a presentation or collaborating remotely, it's all there from day one. And when you do need to focus late into the night, the backlit keyboard feels like a small luxury. It's smooth, quiet, and well-spaced, perfect for long typing sessions in any lighting. The buttonless Mylar Precision touchpad responds with accuracy and comfort, giving every swipe and click that subtle sense of control. The visuals are complemented by Dolby Audio-tuned stereo speakers, bringing your media to life. From study playlists to conference calls, the sound comes through clean and balanced. The built-in FHD webcam includes a physical privacy shutter, an increasingly valuable feature when you want peace of mind between meetings or classes. Connectivity is another area where Lenovo didn't cut corners. You get Wi-Fi 6 for stable high-speed internet, Bluetooth 5.2 for modern wireless accessories, and a range of ports including 2 USB 3.2 Type-A ports, a USB-C with DisplayPort, HDMI, and an SD card reader. It's built to handle any setup you throw at it, whether you're connecting a second screen, transferring photos, or giving a presentation. And then there's the small but thoughtful addition of the WOWPC Recovery USB. It's more than just an accessory, it's your safety net. If your system ever needs a refresh or repair, this recovery drive makes it simple. It's one of those details that shows this laptop was designed with real users in mind. People who value security and practicality. With Windows 11 Pro, the experience feels polished and professional. It's secure, intuitive, and built to keep your workflow smooth. You'll appreciate features like better multitasking layouts, faster boot times, and tighter integration with Microsoft's ecosystem. Whether you're using it for work, school, or both, it's made to adapt seamlessly. But beyond specs and software, what makes the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 stand out is its balance. It's not trying to be a gaming machine or a high-end ultrabook. It's a reliable, efficient daily driver that gets things done. It's lightweight enough to carry anywhere, powerful enough to handle demanding days, and refined enough to feel like something you'll actually enjoy using. And if you'd like to learn more about this Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 or see the latest offers, the link is given down below in the description. This is one of those laptops that quietly becomes part of your routine, helping you work smarter, stay organized, and create with confidence. It's a tool that grows with you, one task at a time. So whether you're buying your first laptop for college or upgrading your current setup for work, The IdeaPad Slim 3 delivers where it matters: performance, comfort, and peace of mind. It's the kind of everyday laptop that feels right from the moment you open it, ready to go wherever your day takes you.